Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you're getting the waiting for download error on your Google Play Store, which should be available like this one right here, and you are wondering how to fix this, in this video we are going to guide you through some troubleshooting methods in order to fix it. So let's just get started with the video. So the first thing we can do is we can start by checking out internet connection. So go over to your settings for that and open it up. And once you access your settings, you can go to the connections option and tap on it. And from here, look out for the Wi-Fi or the mobile network section here. And then ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can try running a speed test or switching between the networks and see it. Also, the next thing you need to do is make sure that you have enough free storage on your device to download the application. Also, you can do so if there is any unnecessary application. You can hold the application that are unnecessary, and you can look out for the uninstall option and confirm it up. Also, clear out your storage by following another method as well. Another thing you can do is you can restart your device. You can hold up your power button for that, and the menu appears on your screen. You can basically look out for the restart option and tap on it. After you restart your device, you can just go ahead and try downloading the application again and see if that fixes your issue. Apart from that, we can clear Google Play Store cache and data. Go to Play Store for that, find it up, hold it up. And once you hold it up, look out for the info section at the top and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you may scroll down and go to the storage section and tap on it. And from there in the bottom, look out for clear cache. You can also clear data and confirm it up and just go over and fix that issue available. Also, you can go ahead and clear the Google Play Services cache as well. You can go to your settings for that. And from there, scroll down, go to applications and tap on it. And from there, go to the search and search for Play Store Services, Play Services, this one right here. And once you find Google Play Services, you may go to the storage option, tap on it. After that, look out for the clear cache option and confirm it up. And that way you can fix your issue. So that is it, everybody. These are some of the methods you can try out if you want to fix the Google Play Store waiting for download stuck. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.